scored that last point. But they also need to challenge the defenders of Signal HD para ma-prevent si Jel Cayuna from going to these types of plays.
Big strides by Signal towards the finish line here. Wide open horizon. For that flashed away by Maria.
In reverse order lang no set number 1.
Hindi mo kailangan, ang hirap sabihin, kalimutan mo na yung first set na natalo mo. But let's see. Basas makes it a set. Red hot shot that time by Perez, who swung back to the front line. She's in twin digits.
That was such a smart hit from MJ Perez, recognizing the tall Megan Hart in front
We'll
of
call it the Joe. Close to the net. Cayuna says, no problem. And Perez, full swing delivery
from Signal HD. So this can also be a sign for next leg na mapaikot din yung attackers nila. We haven't seen a lot of combination.
24-20, still set point. 1 point set point save. Perez says, no more saving. Let's go home. And they have now pocketed the second set at 25-20.
That connection with Megan Hart. Nung last rotation, I feel like hindi nila masyadong na-maximize yung middle blocker nila. But come the next rotation, they have to be able to build.
You were saying?
Yeah, sometimes nakikita natin yung substitution ni Coach Shaq na pinapasok niya si Giselle C, nagiging opposite hitter. Itong si Jel Cayuna. That's one of the new facets of their game.
Mangulabnan and her serve. Perez. And that'll bite. 13-11 count. Perez with a 15-point game. All of them on attacks.
Still have Megan Hart in the front row. You also have Jo Maraginot there. Sila yung dalawang top scorers so far for the Chameleons.
Kasugo's serve is in play. Perez, too much sauce on that one.